14 Best Thai Food Dishes. There are so many delicious Thai dishes that it can be hard to choose just 14. But we did our best. Here are 14 of the best Thai food dishes. Number 1 Pad Thai, Thai-style fried noodles. Pad Thai is a stir-fried rice noodle dish that is commonly served as a street food in Thailand. It is made with soaked dried rice noodles, which are then stir-fried with eggs, tofu, and a variety of vegetables. Pad Thai is typically seasoned with fish sauce, tamarind juice, palm sugar, and chili peppers. Number 2 Guay Teow, noodle soup. Guay Teow is a type of noodle soup that is popular in Thailand. It is made with rice noodles, meat, usually chicken or pork, and vegetables. The soup is often served with a side of fresh greens, such as cilantro, basil, and lime. Number 3 Yum Goong Spicy Shrimp Soup. Yum Goong is a type of hot and sour soup that is popular in Thailand. It is made with shrimp, mushrooms, lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime leaves, and chili peppers. Yum Goong is typically served with rice or noodles. Number 4 Tom Kha Gai, Chicken in Coconut Soup. This is a soup that's famous for its use of coconut milk, and it's absolutely delicious. The soup is usually made with chicken, galangal, a type of ginger, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and fish sauce. It's a bit spicy, but the coconut milk helps to balance out the heat. Number 5 Khao, Thai Coconut Curry Noodle Soup. Khao is a coconut curry noodle soup that originates from the Lanna Kingdom in northern Thailand. It's made with egg noodles, chicken, or beef, and pickled cabbage, and is usually garnished with lime, cilantro, and shallots. The soup has a rich, coconut milk-based broth that's flavored with curry spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander. Number 6 Phat Kaphrao, Stir-Fried Basil Chicken. Phat Kaphrao is a stir-fried dish made with chicken, Thai basil, and chili peppers. It's typically served over rice and is often garnished with a fried egg. The dish gets its heat from the chili peppers and its fragrant flavor from the Thai basil. Number 7 Phanaeng Curry. This dish is a thick, hearty curry that's perfect for chilly weather. It's made with beef or pork, and has a coconut milk base. Phanaeng Curry is often served with rice and vegetables. Number 8 Pad Kaphrao Moo, Minced pork stir-fried with chili and Thai basil. Pad Kaphrao typically contains minced pork, but chicken, beef or vegetarian versions are not uncommon. It is often served with a fried egg on top and rice below, although it can also be found in a sandwich, stuffed into a Thai baguette, or on its own as a side dish. Number 9 Moo Satay, Pork Satay. If you're a fan of pork, then you'll love this one. This dish is made with marinated pork that's grilled on skewers and served with a delicious peanut sauce. It's perfect for sharing as an appetizer or enjoying as a main course. Number 10 Khao Sai, Stuffed Thai Omelet. If you're looking for something a bit different than the typical omelet, then Khao Sai is definitely worth trying. This dish consists of an omelet that's stuffed with ground chicken, mushrooms, and onions. It's then served with a sweet chili sauce on top. Number 11 Pad Seu, Fried Flat Noodle with Soy Sauce. Pad Seu is a popular dish among tourists and locals alike. It is made with wide rice noodles, Chinese broccoli, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. The noodles are stir-fried in a hot wok until they are slightly charred. This dish is usually served with a side of Thai sweet chili sauce. Number 12 Gai Pad Med Mom Muang, Stir-Fried Chicken. This is one of the most popular stir-fried dishes in Thailand and it's easy to see why. Tender chicken pieces are cooked with dry roasted cashew nuts, onions, peppers, mushrooms, and a variety of other spices. The result is a dish that is both flavorful and satisfying. Serve with steamed rice for a complete meal. Number 13 Popiatad, Thai spring rolls. These are different from the Chinese spring rolls that you may be used to. They are made with a thinner wrapper and usually only contain vegetables, like cabbage, carrots, and mushrooms. The wrapper is deep fried until it's nice and crispy. You can find these at most Thai restaurants as an appetizer or snack. Number 14 Muang, barbecued marinated pork skewers. These are pork skewers that have been marinated in a variety of spices and then barbecued. They are often served with a dipping sauce on the side. Muang is a popular street food in Thailand, and can be found at most night markets. It is a great dish to share with friends. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.